Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be cleaning the map sensor on this BMW 1 Series. This particular model is 2017. So the location for the map sensor is just under the engine cover. So just going to take you to it. So just going to unclip the engine cover. And then the next bit we're going to do is we're going to lift this insulation foam padding, and the map sensor is located just here, under here. Here we go. I've pulled the clip back, so now we're going to press it down like this, and then we're going to pull the connector out like that. Here we go friends, that's the connector out of the way. So the next bit we're going to do is we're going to undo this one single screw which is securing the sensor itself. So what I've done is I've lifted this insulation here, and we're going to push it back. So now we've got more access to the screw itself. We're going to be using a T25 bit to undo this sensor screw. I'm going to be extra careful that we don't drop the screw in the engine compartment. There we go friends, that's the screw out of the way. So this is T25 screw. Right friends, now that we have taken the screw out, so the way it comes off is you have a flathead screwdriver. So you insert the screwdriver here, this side, like this. And up. Here we go. Out of the exhaust intake manifold. You can tell the condition of it, it's full of carbon. So we're just going to clean all that carbon off it, and then we're going to insert it back in. Right, so the way we're going to clean it is that we're going to put our thumb on the connectors here, so that no fluid can go in here. And then we're going to be using an engine cleaner and degreaser. So just gonna spray on the sensor itself. So the next bit we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a good rub with a toothbrush. There we go friends, you can tell the color of the cleaner. It's all gone dirty. So the actual sensor was full of carbon. Right, so now that we have cleaned it, so we're gonna give it a good wipe with clean tissue paper. There we go friends, that looks brand new now as compared to what it was before. It was full of it was covered with carbon. So before we put it back, we're going to leave it for a while for it to dry. Right friends, just gonna insert it back in. So the way it goes in is here, so just press it down and then it goes through these clips 1, 2 and 3 here, and just gonna push it down all the way. Here the click, now it's fully home. Just gonna push it down a bit, yeah, and now we're gonna secure it with the T25 screw which goes here. Right, here we go friend, that's nice and tight. Shouldn't tighten it too much, otherwise it's gonna be cross threaded. Next we're gonna connect the harness connector back in. So we're just gonna push it in here all the way, and then just gonna lock the clip. There we go, nice and tight, all secured nicely. So the next bit we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this blanket, the insulation blanket, towards us. Here we go. So that's the insulation pad at the back, nicely secured. So the next bit we're going to do is we're going to push this insulation down, which is placed on top of the engine, and we're just going to put the engine cover back on. So the way engine cover goes is like this. Here we go friends, nice and easy, job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.